Universal Studios is known to have ample parking for all of its guests. So what happens when an apparent off-duty Disney World employee visits Universal Studios? On September 9th, 2022, the Orlando Police Department was called to the scene for that guest.
All right. You guys have medical marijuana cards?
Don't get out the car.
How old are you?
Look, get in.
We have the marijuana.
You see? This is why y'all need to listen to me, because I know like shit. Fuck, I'm getting here early. I know like shit.
Alright, is there any other weed in the car?
Fuck, bro. Fuck!
Alright, do me a favor, hang up the phone.
Alright.
Sure, hang up the phone.
We're just going on one night.
What's that?
We're just going on one night.
Okay.
I thought you were asking other questions.
There's undercovers in the area.
Huh?
Undercover officers in the area.
I'm sorry.
We can smell the weed coming out the car right
We're
now.
getting smoked though.
Okay. You're still in possession though, right? You got a medical marijuana card? Still in possession, right? It's illegal.
I'm sorry.
You okay? Huh?
I'm scared.
Okay. No need to be nervous, man. Just cooperation, that's all. Where you from?
I'm from Florida.
Florida? What part?
East side.
East side of Florida? The east side of Florida.
East Colonial and Chickasaw.
Oh, okay.
Shadow Hills.
East side of Orlando. Was that a friend, brother?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay. And how old are you again?
I'm 25.
Hey, my advice to you, man.
I already asked you.
If she's gonna be a problem, dude, you might as well get her off the phone. Because she's gonna give you bad advice, you're gonna end up getting in trouble. You've been compliant so far. I feel like with her on the phone, you're gonna get yourself in trouble.
Sorry.
You've been super compliant. Ain't no need to.
She just called it because she wanted to know what I meant.
Okay. I heard her yapping when I first got here. You know, don't get out the car, don't get out the car. If you're gonna take advice from her, she's just gonna get you in trouble. I'm telling you that right now.
Yeah,
I'm just being honest
we
with
have the Spider-Man.
I've been in Florida without going IDs.
No, the cops are here.
Who'd you text? My dad. Call your dad. You don't have to tell him what's
No, I swear to God.
Yo,
I'm here.
I met you in person. Picture of it.
Yeah.
So that.
Yeah, I'll be in dead ass. Spider-Man.
I'm trying to get it right
Yeah,
now.
me and my ex broke up. We had an apartment.
I understand.
And
You need to fix it.
Okay, and my sister
Immediately, got it?
understand that you're out of state, so you're going to jail.
Okay, let me see.
Okay? So,
Accessory.
What's that?
Zero accessory.
Say you got zero?
Can't see it, but an accessory to it.
Carry that on your person. What's up, man? You got guns in this car? Carry your passport. You. Do you have a gun in the car?
No.
alright, get everybody out of the car.
Step out of the car slowly with your hands in the air. Got it? Leave your phone where it's at. Step out of the car.
Yeah, sit your wallet down right there.
Now.
Yeah, turn around. Turn around.
What am I gonna find when I search your car? It's your car. What am I gonna
Keep your
find?
hand up there.
I'll give you the opportunity right now to be honest with me. What? Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Alcohol, where the subject went with respect.
You're good. Step over here. Yeah, stand right here for a second. Stand right here for a second. Face the other way. Be honest with me. You got a gun in the car?
Yeah.
Okay, where's it at? Where is it?
Glove box.
The glove box? What kind of gun is it?
It's a 38.
Okay. Go ahead, have a seat right here
We're
for
just
me.
trying to have fun.
I get it.
I'm not doing nothing bad.
Just have a seat right here. Just have a seat on the ground, man. If you understand 10-12, I'll take it.
Hey, watch
stop. His 1012 is looking for him on the parking garage right now.
Yeah, she's headed over here. Okay, I'll take it. And he's got weed on the door anyway. He's got weed on the door anyway. I saw that. This is what I saw.
And the passenger was rolling a joint.
He's got the Glock hand right here. He said it's in the glove box.
This is not a Glock, but
He said it's a 38.
Do they have one 1015 right now?
Yeah, he's got weed all over his thing.
Omega 3.
Omega 3 on it.
Give me 22 with me.
Omega 1, is it going to be 1015 or 8? Future 1, 6
So I was found on the driver's side, back seat, driver's side, passenger. Oh, okay.
so she just looked it over and she misread it.
Okay, I wasn't expecting this today. Do you have a Miranda card on you?
I did.
If you don't mind.
So all we have now is
Yeah, I am. The gun. But what I am interested about is this is to a Glock.
it's a Glock, yeah.
17 or something like that.
Hey, you got the update, right?
Doing an indefinite now.
Yeah.
I guess this second was both of them, right? So indefinite.
It's up to you on the second guy. We are gonna read them the Miranda rights and see what the little guy is gonna say, because I wouldn't be surprised if this backpack and those drugs are his, based off him saying like this is no big deal in Massachusetts. He's from Massachusetts. He probably came down here with the stuff. But constructive possession wise, if he doesn't cop up to this and the driver doesn't either, the driver goes for it because he's in possession of the vehicle and all that stuff. So right now one's going.
Like in handcuffs?
Yeah, he's gonna get arrested.
Oh, for
One for the gun because he's a felon,
golf, okay.
and then most likely all the drugs, unless the little guy says that it's his, and then he'll probably go for that because he's way over the limit on how much he can have.
Okay.
So
Either way, but these are both part. Tony said he wanted indefinite.
that's
so
fine. And whatever you guys want, we can scratch it out real quick, or you can scratch it out.
Just
I don't
initial?
care. Yeah, that's fine. Just put indefinite. It's not a big deal.
Hi, copy this, sir.
91s and whatnot. Yeah.
I work at Disney.
What do you do at Disney?
I'm a cook.
Oh yeah.
4 years.
Employee cook or like cook for yeah.
I want to know if I could get taken in, am I going to lose my job?
Well, if you were to get arrested for some reason, there would be no reason for us to notify your employer of that.
I have to call them.
What's up?
If somebody else that got fired.
Yeah.
Between your employer and yourself. We have no involvement in that.
Is there any way I could call them every day and tell them?
I'm gonna talk to you real quick separately, okay? On three. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna come right over here. All right, honesty goes a long way with me, okay, man?
Yeah, of course.
All right, so just be honest with me. But in order for me to talk to you, I gotta read you your rights, okay? Because I'm not one to violate your rights. I'm very thorough about my investigations. Okay. I'm not here to hem you up. I'm not here to hem your boy up.
Yeah.
I'm not telling you you have to snitch on him. But what I will say is there were some things right there in front of you making that constructive possession.
Yeah.
All right, but I don't want to do that to you because that's not your card.
Okay.
At the same time, some stuff was right there in front of you.
Okay.
So I want to make sure what's yours, you take,
Yeah.
and what's his, he takes.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right. That's in Spanish. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Need a yes or no? Thanks. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
You ever been arrested before?
No.
No? All right. Not even any police encounters?
No.
For marijuana or anything like that?
Nope.
No?
I mean, I've been in the back of somebody's car that had like a large amount of weed, and they basically told them, oh, he's within the legal limits. So that's like the only thing.
What state was that in?
Massachusetts.
Okay, yeah, Florida's totally different.
Yeah.
You see, whose car is that?
His.
That's his
Angels,
car?
Yeah.
Is it registered to him?
I believe so.
Okay. Did you see the stuff in the center console? Be honest with me, man, please.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I saw there was like a couple boxes for like it was like vapes, like
Vapes.
distillate vapes, and then there was
What's that?
It's like CBD and like different like this stuff they sell at smoke shops, like Delta 8, THCA.
Some of that stuff is real THC, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't really know.
Whose is it?
It's his.
All of that is his?
Yeah.
Who's his?
Angels.
Angel. Yeah. Who's Angel? The driver?
Yeah, the driver.
Okay. Stuff in the center console. I mean, all right, we got stuff in the center console.
Yeah.
The stuff on the driver's side door. Whose is that?
His. Yeah.
Did you see any of that stuff on the driver's side door?
Nope.
Okay. That gun in the glove box. Whose gun is that?
His. I didn't even know that
Who's
was in
his?
there. Angel.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's his gun?
Yes, sir.
Angel's gun?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the marijuana on that door that you didn't even see, that obviously has to be
Yeah, I didn't even know about that.
Angel's,
In
right?
the bottle compartment, little glove compartment.
No, right there on the side
Yeah,
on the driver's side door.
yeah. No, I didn't know about that.
Whose backpack's in the back seat?
His. Angels.
The black backpack is
Yeah.
Angel's.
Yes, sir.
All right, what in that car belongs to you?
Just that pre-roll. Like,
What
honestly,
pre-roll?
The fat ass joint that they saw.
And that you handed over to them.
Yeah.
Where is it now?
I don't know.
Before you got out the car, where is it?
They took it from me.
Okay. What color was it?
I was like pretty much saving it to smoke it with them.
Bro, where did he get all that marijuana? Where did he get all that shit?
I don't know. Personally, I don't know, but I know that it's really easy to get it out here. Like
What,
extremely easy.
From like different people, or
Yeah, like for like the internet. You know, it's like it's like getting Pokemon cards, man. It's like
All right, man. What's your name? All right.
I'll help you get up, right?
Appreciate you, man. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thanks, man. Right here. Name's Angel, right?
Yeah.
What's your name? Honesty goes a long way with me, okay? I'm not here to hem you up. I'm not here to hem your boy up or anything. Liam, you both seem like good individuals. Have you ever been in trouble before?
No, it's my first time. Ever.
Okay. Ever? How old are you? 25, right? All right. I don't want to violate your rights or anything. Okay, I'm very thorough about my investigations. Like I said, I'm not here to hem you up or anything, but honesty goes a long way with me.
Yeah, I know.
You lie to me. Everything I found in that car, constructive possession.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You know, it is what it is at that point. But if you're honest with me, I can work with you the best that I can. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand? I need a yes or no.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna start over. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes.
Anything you say may be used. I found some stuff in the car. You know, I found everything in the car. All right. The stuff on the driver's side door, that marijuana, the marijuana in those packages, that THC. Is that THC?
The marijuana in the packages?
Yeah, the packages.
Yeah.
Is that marijuana?
Yes.
Okay. Whose is that?
It's personal smoke, both of ours.
Personal smoke. Whose is it?
It's both of ours.
Who bought it?
We both bought it. We both put half and half on it.
Where'd y'all buy it from?
We both got different plugs. So
From where?
we got different plugs. Like somebody that we know, like a close friend.
The 3 that I found on the door.
Yeah.
Who went and got that weed?
That one? Me.
You went and got all 3 of those?
Yeah.
Okay. That stuff in the center console, whose is that?
I don't know if it's his or mine. Because I know the one on the door is mine.
I'm sorry?
The one on the door, the one that was on the right door is mine.
Okay. Whose car is that?
Mine.
So you let people get in the car with illegal stuff on them? THC on them?
And he was like, hey, we'll let you go to Hollywood Hornets and have fun. So I'm like, all right, we can smoke.
Okay. So the stuff in the center console, whose is it again? His?
Yeah.
You said it was both of ours?
Yeah, both of ours, yeah.
All right. So do you want to put all that on him?
No.
Okay. Who's that to you?
But he's my friend.
How long have y'all been friends?
Almost a year.
Almost what?
A year.
All right. How'd y'all meet each other?
We met in a Rolling Out through chat. It's like a festival.
Down in Miami?
Yeah.
All right. You want to hem him up on some stuff that he didn't do?
Oh, no.
Okay. I'm just making sure. Backpack in the back. That black backpack. Whose backpack is that?
That's fine.
All that stuff inside of it. Whose is it?
Mine.
All that stuff inside the black backpack is yours.
Mine.
I'm sorry?
Mine.
All right, so all that stuff in the black backpack is yours, yes or no?
Yeah.
The stuff in the center console. Whose stuff is in the center console?
Both of us.
You want to stick to that?
What?
You want to stick to that?
It's a stick. What is that?
You want to stick to that story? That the stuff in the center console is both of yours?
Yeah.
What about the THC? Because some of that stuff is CBD.
What is
It's
that?
legal. Some of the stuff is legal, but some of that stuff is THC.
Yeah.
Vape cartridges, oil, THC oil. Whose THC oil?
Mine.
All right, so the THC oil inside the center console is yours.
Yeah.
All of it.
Yeah. I smoke it, yeah.
All right, so all the THC oil in the center console is yours.
THC oil?
Yes.
You talking about the vapes?
Yes. The oil.
Oh, the oil?
Yes.
Both of us.
You just said it was yours 2 times. You're bullshit.
No, I thought you was
You're bullshitting.
talking about the.
We got the keys?
Yeah, he's gonna have to.
He got the keys around his
Yeah.
neck, so make sure you press it so I confirm it's locked.
All right.
Oh my God, man.
Friend, he's already been 69.
Yes. All right. So you've been trespassing property indefinitely. You can never come back to Universal ever again
This
for the rest of your life. Any property that Universal owns.
These are just one, right here.
So with that being said, we're gonna escort you up. I think we'll all go back.
If you don't mind.
Yeah, let's figure this out.
All right, come on with me, man.
Walk your bike back. We're gonna come like this out.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
thanks.
yeah,
What's that? Are you guys gonna catch the same one or? Okay.
Not gonna lie, man. I don't like the mind games you're trying to play. I don't like the mind games that you're trying to play, man. Like I said at the beginning, honesty goes a long way with me. Now you're bullshitting me. And I'm just being honest. I'm being straight up with you.
Right over here, sir. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me, or any way, shape, or form hurt me? Okay. Any other illicit drugs on you, such thing as narcotics, that are not prescribed to you? I'm sorry? Okay, the only property they had you with was your cell phone and your ID, correct?
Yeah, I don't know if it's on me.
No, I have your cell phone and your ID. That's what they gave to me, but you don't have anything else, any other property?
No, that's it.
Okay, just face the car.
My wallet?
I don't know where your wallet is. Where's your wallet?
Probably in the car? I don't know.
Okay, it's probably in the car then. Face the car, right here. Widen your stance for me. Alright, have a seat. LT, can you grab me a water? 2 waters? Can you grab me 2 waters? Thank you.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.